What's up YouTube, it's your boy Lowpes and welcome back to another video. Today we're picking up new wheels for the WRX and it may just fit on the new 2022 BRZ. Let's go get it. So to some of you guys who probably missed it, check out the new BRZ. A lot of videos coming. Right now they are on some Pilot Sport 4s. So this lovely snow here doesn't do it justice whatsoever. And I can't really do much on it. I went for a drive not too long ago, took my dad for a drive, and the slightest acceleration the rear end was kicking out. So we can't really do any watt videos yet. We're gonna have to let the roads dry up completely. Or with these new wheels that we're picking up, they're a little small, but they should fit on here. If they should fit on here, I'll definitely check them out, try them on, and see how they go. I am super hyped for the BRZ. If you guys haven't checked the reveal video, go check it out. It was the last video. We're gonna do walk arounds, in-depth reviews. We're gonna do a lot of cool mods. I just got some JDM Subaru side markers from Import Image Racing. Thank you so much for sending those out, guys. And we got a whole bunch of mods coming for that. Don't mind the garage. It's been, yeah, I know, it's disgusting. You guys don't have to tell me. It's been an insane couple weeks. One of these days, I'm gonna have to give this a nice detail, but check it out. What do you guys think of the metallic gray on here? Look at that. I think that looks so nice. This is the graphite gray. If you guys see that, those are some new Lowpes air fresheners that are gonna be coming out very shortly. Check them out, Oni Lowpes. It's a sick custom design that we made. It's like an Oni mask, which is Japanese demon mask, and a skull kind of mixed in. I think it looks so sick, and it smells really good. We have the JDM Subaru side markers, which are right here. So we're already starting off with some awesome JDM parts on the car. This is going to be put on in a different video. I'm going to do an install video so that all you guys know how to do it, and I think that's going to complement the car a lot better, aside from that ugly orange there. I don't want to give too much out yet about the car. I'm still driving it, still learning it, but I'm going to do an in-depth review of how I like it and everything. But check it out, man. The interior is super nice. I love all this Alcantara suede here. Steering wheel's not bad, but the shifter box, I think the shifter box, they absolutely nailed it. All right, guys, I'm gonna grab Alexandra. She's just getting ready, and let's go grab those wheels. By the way, they're JDM wheels. That's all I'm gonna say. Yo, what's up, homie?
Hey.
Where are we going?
I don't know. You dragged me to these things. I don't know where I'm going. Where am I going?
We're gonna go pick up some wheels.
Oh, we're picking up some wheels.
Some winter wheels.
Winter wheels.
But they're JDM.
JDM.
What's JDM stand for?
Just don't matter.
Cool, but no. It's more Japanese domestic market, but
Cool,
you just learned something new today. Very cool. All right, well.
My lip gloss is frozen.
See, well, this is. We would pick up the BRZ around this time, eh? Pretty shitty with all the snow and stuff, but maybe we'll make some cool drift videos with the BRZ.
I feel like that camera is in my face, bro.
Yeah, you're good, bro. Trust.
Chill.
You're good. All right, let's go. You already know we can't start off a road trip without. I don't even know if you guys can see. It's so bright. Without good old Tim Hortons. All right, let's fuel up. We're gonna grab some Tim's, some breakfast, some coffee. We're gonna make our way down to pick up the wheels, and then we're gonna test fit them afterwards and see how they look on the car. Super excited.
What
Peace! What are you laughing at, bruh? I don't even know. Honestly, guys, we're on our way. We're about probably half an hour out now. We are fueled up with our Tim Hortons, as you guys already know. But yeah, these wheels, I've been wanting these wheels for a little while, even when I had my first Subaru. I think it's gonna look awesome on the WRX, and I'm hoping they can also fit on the BRZ. So we're gonna test fit them on the BRZ and see if they fit there too. I don't know too much about fitment and all that with the BRZ yet. I know 18 by 9.5 plus 38, kind of like what we did on the 10 Gen works, but you have a lot of rolling and some cutting to do with the fenders and quarters. Right now, I'm gonna try to achieve the best fitment I can. Not these wheels, but another set of wheels we get in the future for the BRZ. But without doing a lot of rolling and all that, because I know not all of us want to roll and cut our fenders, and that's it. That's the idea. Also, stay tuned, definitely. I think I'm gonna supercharge the BRZ once HKS, and we have some HKS comes out with the kit, and we have some tuning software for it. I already have the funds aside, just waiting to pull the trigger whenever they're ready. We're waiting for you. But yeah, I guess what we're gonna do now is we're just gonna finish our drive. Hopefully we'll be there within like 20 minutes, half an hour, and then I'll show you guys how the wheels are looking. But I'm super excited. What do you think about the BRZ so far? You've only gone for one drive.
One drive.
We'll probably do a video in the near future of doing a better drive, making you actually feel the power of the car, the handling and everything. But your first initial impressions. Impressions. What's your first initial impressions of the car?
It was cute.
Again with these cutes. There's no cute. This car is not cute.
No, actually, you know what? Okay, one, it was a lot lower than I anticipated it.
Yeah.
Like the first thing I said to you, I'm like, did you lower this already? Because it looked like
it was lowered.
It was lowered. No, but the color's nice. The inside's really nice and fancy. Yeah, no, it's a nice car.
Do you like it better than the Civic?
They're two different cars, though.
Good answer. That was a test.
Oh,
good answer.
Pass?
I guess, yeah. I guess they can comment down below and say if you pass. They're completely two different cars. Oh, bumpy, bumpy, bumpy. But if you had to choose one, which one would it be? Oh.
I know, this is hard. I like the BRZ. I kind of like it.
Yeah.
BRZ, am I saying that right?
Yeah, BRZ, you're
BRZ,
right.
Yeah.
You kind of like the BRZ?
Yeah, I kind of like it.
If you had to just choose the one, it'd be the BRZ, right?
The Honda is nice for like, I felt like that was a good everyday car.
You're correct.
You know what I mean? Like that's a good, you know, yeah, everyday car. BRZ is a fun car.
See? Wow. I'm proud of you. That was actually a really good answer. Alright guys, we picked up the wheels. I want to say a big thank you to Zach. I'm not sure if you can watch the channel or not, but if you end up watching it one day, thank you for the wheels. I'm not going to show you guys the wheels just yet, but we are loaded up. Let's get home and let's go try out these wheels, see how they look on the BRZ and how they look on the WRX. Hope you guys are excited. I'm hyped for these wheels. Let's go. Alright, we've made it home. That was one hectic drive. I'm not gonna even lie. It was so busy. We're home and we're gonna put the wheels on. The only thing I'm debating is I might actually try them on the BRZ and then I'll put them on WRX afterwards. WRX has some winter wheels on there. Tires aren't the greatest and like the tires have a bit of a flat spot, but they work and they work pretty good. Like I've been stuck in snow or I've been driving through snow and it's been fine. So I think I'm actually put these on the BRZ so that we can get more winter footage with the BRZ. Let's see how it looks. I'm gonna show you guys the wheels right now. So we picked up ourselves some version 7 STI wheels. They are not in like perfect condition, but the tires that came on here are really, really good. And it was a good bang for buck. And these are the original coatings on these wheels. If some of you guys don't know these wheels, these are the version 7 STI wheels that come from Japan. So super JDM. They should fit the BRZ without issue. The wheels are 17 by 7.5 plus 53 offset, 5 by 100. And we got some 235, 45, 17 winter tires on there. Let's take them out and let's check them out. So here they are. Like I said, they aren't in the perfect, like most perfect condition. They are not mint. Original coating, some chips and stuff here. So that's why I was debating on putting it on the BRZ, just because, you know, they're not in the greatest condition. It's a brand new car. They're straight, no bends, no nothing. Been balanced. Then putting these on will give me more options in driving in the winter, and I think it'd be pretty cool driving the BRZ through some snowstorms. What do you guys think below? I don't think it looks horrible, but it doesn't look the best either. But like I said, it'll give us more options. Like I was looking for, I want to get winter like wheels and setup for this car anyways. I'm just debating should I use these version 7 STI wheels on here, or I should put them on the WRX. What do you guys think? Maybe we'll just toss them on here, see how they look, drive them, and then if we don't like them, we can always swap out. So if you guys are wondering what the tire setup is currently on here, these are 215/40 18s, Michelin Pilot Sport 4s. Actually pretty good tire, gets really good grip, but it really sucks once it starts getting cold. And it's definitely not, you know, winter. It's not definitely not a winter tire. It's not even an all-season tire. This is more of a summer tire, which we're definitely not in yet. But I guess let's see how it's gonna look. I think it's definitely, we might have some fitment issues. I think it might be, I hope we don't rub, but let's just try it out. This is how they look side by side. One is a bigger rim, so this is an 18-inch rim with a smaller tire, 17-inch rim with a thicker winter tire. The diameter looks like kind of the same. The 18 actually does look a little bigger side by side, so hopefully we don't have any fitment issues. Let's give it a shot and let's check it out. Alright, so that's how she looks. It's definitely not the nicest looking rim for this car. I think the OEM wheels are pretty nice. I think this would definitely look better on the WRX, but it's a winter wheel. It fits. Looks like we're very close to the coilover in the back, actually. Very minimal space. The back of the wheel is so close to hitting. It's crazy. It's so close, probably like millimeters away. But what do you guys think? I don't think it's the nicest, I'll be honest, but it's a nice, I like these wheels on WRXs. I think it suits them a lot better over the BRZ, but it's on here. I don't know if I'm one of the first to do this on these generations, but it definitely looks interesting. I don't think I'm gonna put these on this car. I'm really not feeling how they look. I'm just gonna look for another set of winter wheels that we can put on here that looks a little better. It's such a brand new car, I think it deserves something a little better. The Version STI wheels look awesome, and this was a good test to show you guys. I'm gonna show you how the one side looks. We're gonna put this on the WRX, but at least you guys know how the Version 7 STI wheels look on a BRZ. This is how it's looking. Like, they don't look horrible, but they just doesn't look right in my opinion. What do you guys think below? Let me know if you think I'm right. I think these are gonna look a lot better on the WRX, which we'll put them on, and I'll show you guys how they look on the WRX, but I don't know. I think we'll go with some maybe different type of winter wheel. But nah, I am not feeling it whatsoever. At least this gives you guys an idea if this is something you do like, because, you know, everyone's style is a little different. If you guys do like this, that might be for you, but just not for me right now. I guess we'll just have to drive the BRZ on nicer days for now until we get new wheels. For the BRZ, what I want to do is have two sets of tires or two sets of wheels. We're going to have a nicer winter wheel setup, and then we're going to do something super nice for spring, summer, fall, our normal setup, but our winter wheel setup will be something a little nice. Maybe like some sparkle wheels or something like that. I don't know, we'll figure it out, but right now, I'm not feeling this at all, guys. See how these look beside it. This is just a classic look. We all know this is gonna look good. Check that out. It already suits the wagon so much more. I'm excited to put these on. I've seen a few photos of cars with these and it looks pretty good. So let's get to it. Another set of wheels to put on. Hopefully the car doesn't give out because underneath it is quite rusty, but hopefully it's trusty. Okay, this looks a lot better. What do you guys think? A lot better on this. I find like it suits this body style in this year, and as it should, because this is meant for the STIs, even though this is a WRX. If you guys notice, I jacked the car up from like the frame in the middle because the rockers are absolutely shot. As you guys can see, that's why I was trying to work away at getting it done as quick as possible. Just make sure to torque your wheels once the car's on the ground. We'll be doing that afterwards. All right, guys, there it is. This is how the WRX is looking. Our wagon, it's starting to come together, look nice. STI seats. Now we got the wheels and everything. I think these wheels suit this car 10 times better than it did the BRZ. BRZ, we'll figure it out. We'll get some other winter wheels for there. But check it out. And just remember, we got some Lowpes merch coming out. So you guys see the air freshener there. That'll be coming out very shortly. All right, guys, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. At least you got to see what V7 STI wheels look like on a 22 BRZ. I'm kind of sad it didn't work out, didn't look any better, but I love the way it looks on here. I've already envisioned it. I've seen a ton of photos, and I knew it was going to look good. I was hoping it would work on the BRZ, but I guess we'll look for some new wheels for the new BRZ. Comment down below what wheels you want to see for our winter setup, and maybe some sparkle. I don't know. We'll see. But thank you so much for watching, guys. More BRZ and WRX content coming up. Peace out. Do it once, do it right. Like, comment, subscribe. Later.